Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. Walgreens preview for the week of the 6th to the 12th. We're going to look at this booster right off the cuff. It showed up on Friday the 4th in the morning. 10 back when you spend 50. I know a lot of you got the 5 back when you spend 20. Couple rules for you. It is of a one-time use. And yes, this digital one stacks with a paper one that comes out of the Catalina machine. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as it will manipulate the balance and you don't want that. Halloween clearance. So the rumor on the street is that on Monday the 7th, it's supposed to dive down to either 70 or 90%. I know that this morning, which is Friday the 4th, a lot of stores are at 60%. So you might want to check on Monday if Halloween is your thing and your store has still a good amount of stock. You might be surprised what you might find. And some regions, it might be Tuesday the 8th as well. Looking at the cover of the flyer, we have the new month. So we still have that promotion of buy two, get the third for free. My goodness gracious, with a lot of the skincare last week, that was quite glorious. I really enjoyed that. And this is a very good ad this week, so I'm very delighted with some of the deals. Deals of the week, we have 3 for $12.99 on the 7-Up, $5.99 for the Dunkin', $2.99 for the cashews. I really have to get some of those. And the $5 Scott with the $1.25 IVC will drop it down to $3.75 for either the toilet paper or the paper towel. So we're going to look at a couple deals off of this deals of the week. The first one is with the Tide. Now, unfortunately, I do not see a digital coupon, but if your inserts might have it, or if you can print something from P&G Good every day, or fingers crossed, if something shows up on Sunday morning, we might have a better deal than this. But looking at this deal right now with the 5 back when you spend 20 booster, throw that into the mix. Your total would be $23.98 if you pick up 2 of the Tides. Pay that with your debit card. You'll get back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash for the deal and the booster. It makes it $13.98 for the 2 or $6.99 per. Sunday morning, let's double, triple check for those digital coupons. And remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards if you're in fact using that 5 back when you spend 20 booster. Okay, so this deal is back, $7, $4 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. I know that last week there were 3 off of 2 digitals, but most of those are expiring on Saturday. We also have this IBOTTA rebate. I did this last Sunday and it reset for me. It's still there. There's no time ticker saying that it's going to expire either. So I'm quite delighted with this. Grabbing 3 of these body washes for $21 on the nose. If you have that 5 back when you spend 20 booster, load it and use it for this deal. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $19 with your debit card, getting back a $4 register reward for buying 2 of the products, $5 back from IBOTTA for buying 3 of these body washes, and $5 in Walgreens cash for buying $20 of product. It makes it $5 for the 3 body washes or $1.66 per. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're using a booster in concert with this dealio. And we have a simple little deal on the Tresemme. They're 2 for $12, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, $4 reward when you buy 2 of these shampoos or conditioners or a mix. So 2 of the Tresemmes is $12 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $9, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per shampoo or shampoo and conditioner. This deal I just might have to try out on Sunday. 2 for $21. We have a 4 off of 2 that's showing up on Sunday morning. $4 reward when you buy 2 of these diapers. My Fetch Rewards has a $4 back for a special delivery purchase, plus $2 back when I buy a size 3 to 7. I'm part of the HUGGIES reward. That's $6 back. So I'm going to have to see if this works or not. Grabbing 2 of them for $21. If I had the $5 back when you spend 20 booster loaded, plus the 4 off of 2 digital will melt off. I'm paying $17 with my debit card, getting back a $4 register reward, $5 in Walgreens cash for my booster, and then $6 back from the Fetch Rewards app, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per bag of diapers. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as I'm using that booster of 5 back when you spend 20. But I'm going to definitely test this deal out because inexpensive diapers, yes please, and thank you so much. Okay, now we're going to look at a couple other deals. We have a BOGO free on the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens generic brand of, it's like a Ziploc or a Glad bag. Usually it's $2.99, so grabbing 2 of them at $2.99, it basically shakes it out to $1.49 each on a BOGO free promotion. If you have any Walgreens cash or store register rewards that you wish to throw into the mix, by all means go for it. Now we have a deal on the Lysol wipes 80 count. So these are $6.99 on a BOGO free promotion. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA account, there's 75 cents back for 30 count or larger, and these are the 80 count bags. So yes, you're going to get $1.50 back for that, guys. Plus, coupons.com is giving back an extra 50 cents. Unfortunately, the digital coupon for this guy vanished, but the coupons.com one is still there. Grabbing 2 of them for $6.99, you'll make that submission to IBOTTA for $1.50. 50 cents back from coupons.com, that's $2 back. So it drops it down to $4.99 for the 2, or $2.49 for these bags of the Lysol wipes. If you wish to use a store register reward or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, by all means go for it. Just a really good deal for some cheap wipes. This is my kind of toothpaste deal. The Burt's Bees Kids, we're going to look at that one specifically. These are $4 a pop, and then a $5 reward when you buy 2 of them. Now, last week we got this digital coupon, but if you look at the fine print, it doesn't expire till the 12th, so I know one of my store cards I didn't use it. But grabbing 2 of the $4 products, and I'm going to go with the Burt's Bees Kids. 2 of them is $8. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $5, getting back a $5 register reward, making this free. Unfortunately, there is no Ibotta rebates at this time, but always double, triple check your apps. Maybe something will pop up on Sunday. Wouldn't that be nice to make it a little money maker? I'm going to buy these for some stocking stuffers for my nieces. I think it's a very fun little gift. All right, guys, now we're going to look at 2 different deals, and I believe that the curbside deals are better than in-store because these products are just a little bit cheaper. $10 Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on Nexus. So grabbing 2 of the hairsprays at I think they're like $11.99 or $11.49. Anyhow, it shakes it out to $23.98. If you have the 5 back when you spend $20 booster, have that guy loaded for this one. You'll pay that with your debit card. Unfortunately, no digital coupons for this deal. Maybe something will show up on Sunday. Then you're going to get back $15 in Walgreens cash, $10 for spending $20 plus $5 for the booster, making it $8.98 for the 2. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're using a booster, and this is a spend offer as well, but you're getting $15 back. The next deal that we have, again, is another spend offer. Spend $20 to get back $10 on the Excedrin, and I believe this product is a little bit cheaper as a curbside than in store, so we're going to look at this as a curbside offer. We have this one $3 digital coupon. There's also a $4 off, but that's off of the 200 count Excedrin, so the larger ones. So looking at the curbside prices, an Excedrin 100 for $13.49, and an Excedrin, the smaller one, for $6.99 is a total of $20.48. If you might have that booster of spend $20, get back $5, make sure you have it loaded. Subtracting your $3 digital, you're paying $17.48 with your debit card and getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. $10 for the promotion, $5 for the booster, making it $2.48 for the 2, or $1.24 per Excedrin. If you suffer from migraines, you can see the value right here. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. I think I looked for these in store before, and they were a lot more than the curbside price. Hershey chocolates, these little kisses and the trees, 2 for $7. There's an IVC dollar off 2, so it'd make it 2 for $6 or $3 per bag. The next little promotion is this $5 Walgreens gift card. Usually it's when you buy 2 $25 gift cards, Best Buys, Domino's, Instacart, all those good cards. And if you love the Arm & Hammer toothpaste, it's priced at $2.99. Ibotta has a $2 back, so it dropped this down to 99 cents. I like to get my toothpaste for free, but if you're trying to finish one of those turkey trot Ibotta rebates where you have to do like 16 or 32, this might be something to grab to get you closer to your turkey. Okay, mes amis, let's look at some quick honorable mentions. The first one's going to be kind of crystal balling it. $3.99 for the All or Snuggle. Whenever it's this price point, because this detergent's usually $7.49, they usually throw us a $1.50 digital coupon. Let's keep an eye out for that on Sunday morning. Throw that in your back pocket. Also, save $5 when you buy $20 in select paper products. That is going to heat up the curbside deals. So definitely we'll have some deals for you with that promotion. And then this BOGO 50% off in-store $5 reward when you spend $25 and up to $5 in coupons for both the Revlon and OLAY. Keep an eye out for those deals. And then $25 gift card when you spend $25 in OLAY. The body wash is included. We're going to have to see how that one shakes. It's basically making your OLAY for free, so we're going to have to see what the details are. And then Colgate, if they provide us with some decent digital coupons, we might have some freebies, but we'll have to wait and see till Sunday. Also, food, if you're trying to stock up your pantry before more craziness ensues with inflation. Not the worst prices for dry goods. Even the bacon's a really good deal over at Walgreens. And then even like the $1.50 fudge brownies, make a couple of those. You got gifts for your whole neighborhood. Just looking, real nice homemade gift. And then if you have a lot of those $4 store register rewards, there's lots of profusion, little Christmas stocking stuffers and goodies. Definitely be on the lookout for that. You can just buy a bunch of really nice Christmas gifts, especially if you have register rewards or Walgreens cash you want to burn through. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.